Should we go for it, folks? Yeah. Play the music. Wait till they get across. Play the music. There we are. This is still not the Ashridge estate, but it is Ashridge. Beautiful open place. So I'm just making my way to a place called the Ivanhoe Beacon, which is scenic. Gives you a view of over all of this, so hopefully that's not too busy and not too windy. That's something I need to bring into account as well, this whole wind thing. So anyway, so we'll get our way through that. And then pretty soon, I'll be able to show you, hopefully, a drone shot of the place. So let's wait and see what happens. I'll keep the camera running. Tempting to go faster, but not really the roads for it right now. Standing up. Hey, didn't go down my shoe. That's always a promising start. Yes, what they do, right, it's ridiculous. They shut the car park and they just force everyone to park at the side of it. Should we go for it, folks? Yeah. Play the music. Wait till they get across. Play the music. That was good fun.
Havana, 40p, Cuba, 60p, Haiti, 50p, and Jamaica, 90p. Those are the pie rates of the Caribbean.
Ha! Oh, it's busy. Kinda looks like everyone's going home for their tea though, so it might be alright.
It was at this point I realised that I was still in the Ashridge estate or National Trust no matter where I went. So I gave up on the idea of trying to fly the drone here and moved on to the next place. This was definitely worth the move, and here's the footage I got.